Stop standing on chihuahuas. I know they're very small and you're blind. Don't you think, Teddy? Lily always throws a tantrum.
Lily.
Look at Lois.
Bruh.
Are you done? Are you done?
So bad, the lighting. Oh, I did it! So, we're out for a walk with big Teds and little tiny chihuahuas and little tiny Nita. The size difference between the chihuahuas and the Old English sheepdog. Ted's not over the wall. Look at the size difference between the chihuahua and the Old English sheepdog. I know, I think you finally met your match, Lois. There we go. We're out for a walk with the... Oh my god. The size difference is beyond me.
Oh, it's a nice day actually. I've never been that far.
Have you never?
Do you want to be carried?
Oh my god.
Oh, you know what? We should have just not brought any dogs.
Yeah.
Or we should have
Just bought Teddy.
Yeah.
Stop standing on chihuahuas. I know they're very small and you're blind, but you can hear them.
Maybe you can keep slowing to that. Okay, now he's going to the...
Now he's going to your ass. That's where he's going.
Yeah, I know it's nice.
Two little dogs and a blind massive dog. It's a very difficult walking situation. Teddy! Teddy! Over here!
Lily.
Oh! This is a very difficult walking situation.
I've never actually tried to walk so painful.
Right, Teddy, you're going to have to go back on the lead if you keep on standing on chihuahuas.
Right. Lily, stop throwing a tantrum. Lily's decided.
To be fair, Lily has nearly got stood on several times.
She's trying to go back to the car. Come on.
Oh my god, come on, Ted.
I don't understand how she's so skinny. Like,
Plus Lois nearly got stood on again. Teddy, no. Oh. Don't you think, Teddy? Lily always throws a tantrum.
Lily.
Look at Lois.
Bruh.
Where are you going, Teddy?
That's a nice view though, isn't it? Is that an island?
Yeah, you can walk across it. Across to it.
Oh yeah.
You have to watch out for when the tide.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Leave him alone. Leave him alone.
Teddy! She's trying to make friends.
Not him, I don't trust him.
Trying to make friends with the chihuahuas and they don't want to make friends with you. I know.
He's so cute.
Look at the pussy. Yeah, it's you. You're the loudest out of all the dogs and you're the smallest.
She actually is tiny.
Look at this. Look at you. Yeah. Everyone must look at Lily. Except you, Teddy. Oh.
come back. Are you done? Are you done? Hello. Oh.
I know, the chihuahuas are making a fuss.
This is unusual.
This is how the walk ended up.
Lois! And Lily's the one walking, not being carried.
Funny if we could get Lois to ride on Teddy's back.
What, like Patrick and Crumpet?
Yeah.
Aww. You
Lois
happy?
will never let me pat her.
She's just
Do you
so
know
chill.
that? She's never let me pat
She
her.
looks so content. Is he getting a drink? Aww. And his face. I'm filming you. I love waterfalls.
Don't film me in the water while I'm holding Lois.
Lily's like, no.
Good boy.
Oh, Teddy, was that good? Was that
Look at the puppets.
Lily, stop. Oh my god, I always forget.
Luckily I brought Mikey's car, eh?
And Lois is still chilling there, just like,
I know.
Lois. Hi, Pretty.
That was so weird. Oh, where are we going, Ted?
She's like, bye.
What? Gonna give me a kiss?
Aww. Aww.
We've made friends.
Finally.
Finally. What did you think about Teddy though? He's lying down on the back seat.
Hello. Lily, stop.
Lily really doesn't like Teddy at all.
Right.
Lois.
The shade, the light in it is
I
like,
know, it's so bad.
like,
What do you think?
that is awful.
Ooh. I'm in a car park, I'd just like to point out. With Lois on my lap.
I wish I had longer arms.
I know. It's Brittany, bitch!
Yeah.
But Lois, I don't know why you've decided to sit on my lap while I'm driving. Are you driving?
But she's gonna go to sleep.
Yeah. She's so happy though. This is what I don't get.
Beautiful.
Except when I have to change gear. Should we get Mummy Nia to change gear then?
I wouldn't trust myself.
Really?
No, not with.
I'm waiting for your reaction. Had like bigger lips than me though.
Have I now?
Yes. More ways than one. my god, look at the mud on the seat. Oh my god.